Qualifying for a Klover cash advance depends on your account meeting Klover's eligibility requirements, not simply on downloading the app or creating an account. By the end of this video, you'll know the basic requirements Klover checks, how to improve your chances of qualifying, and what to do if you aren't eligible yet. The first requirement is creating a Klover account and completing the initial setup. During registration, you'll be asked to provide your personal information and connect a supported bank account. Klover uses this information to review your account and determine whether you're eligible for a cash advance. Next, make sure your bank account stays connected successfully. If the app can't communicate with your bank because of connection issues or outdated login credentials, it may not be able to complete your eligibility review. If your bank connection fails, reconnect the account before requesting an advance. Identity verification is another common requirement. If Klover asks you to verify your identity or submit additional information, complete those requests as soon as possible. A pending verification can prevent your account from becoming eligible, even if every other part of your setup is complete. After your account has been reviewed, open the Cash Advance section in the app to see your current eligibility. If you qualify, Klover will display the advance amount available to your account. If you don't qualify, the app may provide additional information or ask you to complete more account requirements before you can request an advance. Keep in mind that eligibility can change over time. Updating your banking information, resolving account issues, or completing any outstanding verification requests may affect what you see inside the app. That's why it's worth checking your account again if your situation changes. You should also keep the Klover app updated to the latest version. App updates often improve account syncing and resolve technical issues that can interfere with eligibility checks. After updating, reopen the app and review your account status for any new notifications. If you believe you meet all the requirements but still can't access a cash advance, contact Klover support through the app. Include your account email, screenshots of any eligibility messages, and details about your linked bank account if requested. That gives the support team the information they need to review your account more efficiently. To recap, qualifying for a Klover cash advance requires a completed account, a successfully linked bank account, any required identity verification, and meeting Klover's eligibility review. The fastest way to find out if you qualify is to complete every setup step and check the advance section inside the app. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and app guides.